Here in the Powerplant shop, we take engines apart, as you can tell, and we overhaul these engines and then put them on a test stand and make them run. So they're live operational engines. And again, all the students do the work themselves as per manuals and the instructor's guidance. These are the engines, and right now what they're doing is measurements. Everything has to have a tolerance, within tolerance, and be put back together. You can see that they study their manuals intently. And we do work in teams at times, and sometimes we have to work isolated. But we're always in the books, and we're always learning, and we're always studying, even after we leave ISU.